Beauty Passion. So I'm gonna go through some glitch deals today. Yes, get these deals right now. Go and get these deals right now. So the first deal up is Apple iPods on Amazon. Here it is right here. It's loading. Apple iPods on Amazon. Hold on. I'm in my car recording this. $128. Then you get another $18 off. See, at checkout you get another $18 off, so about $108. So once you add these Apple iPods, it comes with the charging case, and it comes with, of course, the charger. So once you add these to your add them to the store, add them to your checkout or your cart. Once you check out, they're gonna take the additional $18 off. So iPods for $108. That's like a 60. That's like a. Okay, so like I was saying, that's like a $50 discount on these Apple iPods. So as of 6:53 p.m. Central Standard Time, these Apple AirPods are still on sale. $128. And when you check out, they're going to take out additional $18.99. All right, the next deal. The next deal is Victoria's Secret. The next deal is Victoria's Secret. Now, Victoria's Secret has a buy one, get one free stocking stuffer. This is online. I don't know about in the store, but this is online. So these are expendable card case. They're $22. And if you buy one, you get one free. So it says online. So actually, this is only online. And they got some cute colors. Look at those. Those are cute. Those are cute. And they're $22. So you're going to get two for $22 at Victoria's Secret online. All of these deals are as of like 6:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. So stocking stuffers at Victoria's Secret, buy one, get one free. All right, the next deal. Okay, the next deal is on the Vans website. So on the Vans website, they have these shirts for $6.95. So they were $22. They're $9.95, $12.95, $14.95. But that's okay. Okay, so the next deal that we have are on Macy's.com. Their deal of the day is the Classic Twin Mattress Pad. Today only. Free shipping. $40 regular price. It's on sale today for $14.99. So if you need a mattress pad, that's a twin one. Let me see if all of them are the same. All sizes. So that one is $14.99. Let me see if the full is. The full is $14.99, and the California King. All of them are ringing up as $14.99. Regular price is $100 for these mattress pads. It's Martha Stewart Essentials mattress pad. On sale, $14.99, all sizes. Okay, so the next deal that we have of the day is on Macy's.com again, and it's these Disney Mickey Mouse sterling silver crystal stud. Now, I went into Macy's and actually purchased these. I'm gonna put a picture up right here of the ones that I purchased. When I went online, they were sold out, so they just restocked some more. So you have what this say? You got 6 hours to purchase these. These earrings are regular price $100. They're on sale for $19.99. They have them in blue, and then they also have them in pink. You can get them in either blue or pink. Let me show y'all how the pink ones look. All right, so this is how the pink ones look, and they are too cute. Regular price $100. The deal of the day at Macy's for $19.99. Hurry up now. As of 7 o'clock Central Standard Time, these are still on sale and in stock. They're in stock. Let me make sure. They're in stock. Alright. The last deal of the day is something that I just found out. Let me show it to y'all. Okay, so the last deal of the day is at DoorDash. DoorDash for the next 2 hours. So from 7 until 9 o'clock, you can go on DoorDash on your Cash App. If you go into your Cash App you can add a boost to your Cash App card. The boost for today is 99% off one order on DoorDash. So that's pretty much free. So go to your Cash App, add this boost, and when you order from DoorDash, make sure you pay with your Cash App debit card, and you're going to get 99% off. Now, this expires in 2 hours. The minimum purchase is $1.50 and a max discount of $50. So you got 2 hours to use this boost before it expires. So make sure you use it right now. Okay, update on a DoorDash deal. You can actually get a $50 gift card for DoorDash. They're going to email it to you for free. So instead of you purchasing $50 in food, you can actually get a gift card. So when you go into your app and you go on the DoorDash website, instead of you purchasing food, purchase a $50 DoorDash gift card and they'll give you a gift card for free. A $50 gift card for free. You only got 2 hours. Run right now. 2 hours to do this. $50 worth of free food for DoorDash. You have to have a Cash App card and you have to have the Cash App downloaded. Again, once you go into the app, it's a picture of your card. At the bottom of the picture, it says boost. Matter of fact, let me see. But see, I don't want to really put it on the screen because it gives you like my Cash App numbers. But at the bottom of the Cash App card, it says add a boost. Once you add the DoorDash boost, then you go to the DoorDash app and you actually order a $50 gift card. Use your Cash App card to pay for it. And then they're going to send you a $50 gift card for free. Alright, go now. $50 free food. DoorDash. 2 hours. Okay, and then on one of my favorite online boutiques, Swankaposh. Let me get this together for you. So, swankaposh.com. As of 7/19, they have my favorite like legging jeans or rise jeans. Let me go into them. So these are it. They're slit right there. Let me see. $11.25. So from $50 to $11.25. The slit high rise jeans. They got them in burgundy. Let me tell y'all what size they got left. Oh, they going quick. They only got a small left. So you got to hurry up for them. And then they got them in another color. Let me show you what the other color they got them in. This color. $11.25. What size they got left? Oh, they only got them in small too, so they going quick. So y'all gotta hurry up and get them. Let me see what if they got another color. Blush of Passion mesh bodysuit. That's cool. That's cool. $11.25. They got that one in a small left too. Let me see if they got one more thing that I can show y'all. The pop-off jogger pants. I guess those are okay. Okay, they got them in regular denim too. The high-rise jeans. Those are nice. $11.25. They going quick. They only got a 1 and a 3 left. So hurry. I'm about to add mine to the cart. Even though I can't fit a 1 or a 3, but I have to bound for somebody. Let's see what other size they got. Or what other things they got. I think that's it. Sunglasses, sunglasses, sunglasses. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so run now. Swankaposh.com for those high-rise jeans. Run now for those high-rise jeans. All right, and that's all of the deals for today. Check back tomorrow to see any more deals that I have, but those are the deals for today. All right, thank you all for watching. Hecky now, Joe is Beauty Passion, and I'm out.